attended that call. For that reason, I'm unable to continue. Now I'll show you.
No problem.
1 divided by, first of all, we'll make it like this because it's not a sorted one. So I'm doing like this. Okay. First
Okay,
of
sir.
all, you have to search how many are there, and the positions. F9. So it will give you the value errors and the numbers, because wherever it finds, it will give us the numbers, and wherever it is not find, it will give us the value error. Okay.
Sir,
Here, are you able to see?
uh,
Yes, go ahead, go ahead.
I think is there no need of giving it asterisk? I mean G2 and asterisk,
Can
because
you repeat once again?
I'm saying, sir, is there no need of joining an asterisk with G2, because number is also in the text string with text values. I
You,
mean,
you, you mean to say like this?
yes, sir. I mean, is there no need to enter like that?
No need, no need, no. See, when we have to enter like this?
Yes, sir. That's what.
When means, say, listen. Already we know that there is a character only in the left side, not in the middle or in the last.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Only left side is there. So for that reason, I'm using this one. You can use the left function also. Equal to left of. By default, it will pick up the first character only. F9. By default, it will pick up the first character from the left side.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So what I'll do here is anything equal to this. Now it will show us the true and falses as you know. Okay.
Okay.
So what I'll do, I'll divide this with this. He did only this one, but not the first occurrence and the last occurrence. Sorry, first occurrence and the maximum number. F9. See, wherever it finds, it will give us the 1, and wherever it is not there, it will give us the divisible by 0 error.
Sir, if not divided by one, what it will give? I mean, like.
No, listen. Here, actually, what will happen? It will happen true and falses. False
Okay.
considered as a 0, and true considered as a 1.
One.
So 1 divided by false means 1 divided by 0. So
Okay,
1
sir.
divided by 0 is not having any meaning for that.
Okay, sir. In case, I mean, what I'm asking is, if true and false are indirectly denoted as zeros and ones,
Right.
then can Excel cannot simply understand that it is 0 or 1? Why do we have to enter manual? I mean, divide it with 1.
No. Actually, it is a logical. Logical will understand only true and falses, not other than that. Whatever it may
Okay.
be, it won't understand whatever it may be. So we have to make to understand that what is true and what is false, and what is 1 and what is 0.
Okay, sir.
True and falses will always be 0 and 1s, as you know. But we are asking to Excel that pick up only the true ones and make it as a number.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Got it? For
Got
that
it.
reason, you can use any mathematical operator, as I said previously, that you can use this one like this. So we don't want zeros, we want only ones.
Okay, sir. Okay.
For that reason, we are removing zeros, I mean to say falses, and pick upping the ones. So it will become like this.
Okay, sir.
Simply use the maximum number 9.9e plus 307. This is the maximum number which Excel will allow, comma, and the result vector will be the same. So automatically it will pick up the last occurrent value. It's an array, but lookup can handle array.
Okay.
It's an array. Okay. Because left is expecting only the single text, but we are giving bunch of range.
Yes,
So it's
sir.
considered an array, but lookup can handle array. Simply you can use enter. Before VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, before VLOOKUP, only lookup function was there.
Yes,
Still
sir.
now it's working, and 99 people will not use that one.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Even I
Yes,
have, I mean, like, I have very mild idea about lookup function.
it's very easy. Actually, it will look up the last and approximate values.
Not the
That's
first
it.
occurrence, sir.
No, 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 no. It will always pick up the last occurrent values. Last and approximate.
Last
In my
and
previous,
approximate.
yes, yes. In previous video, I explained this one.
Okay, sir.
Suppose some dates are there. Listen, some dates are there from 1st March to 31st March.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and your date of birth is 10th March.
Okay, sir.
So if you want, and your name is there, that is Gautam. So
Okay.
someone will ask that in this month, when was when was the Gautam's birthday, right?
Okay.
So we can pick up that one by using lookup.
Okay, sir.
That is the difference. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now find the first occurrence for the letter X. Give me some idea how you will do this one.
Find
Simply,
the first. I think, sir, I think we can, I mean, it cannot give us the match, match will.
yes, 75% correct.
No, so what I'm
One thing,
thinking is,
one thing. Remember, Gautam,
yes, sir.
math will always pick up the first occurrence. Blindly go with that.
But I'm thinking about, sir, how can index will bring up the number? It can
Yes,
only,
yes. We can use it. We can see what I am doing. First of all, what we are doing, we are asking that the same formula is equal to left of the same formula I'm using over here. This thing, sorry, not this thing. The range, comma, equal to this. The same formula, true and falses are there. But we are interested in only in the true,
yes, sir.
right? So what I'll do here, match true. Match the true and let me know the position where it is there. Comma 0. F9. So it will pick up the position that where it was there.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
Simple thing. And now you can use with index now. Comma. And it's an array part. Now you have to use Control Shift and Enter.
Sir, index cannot handle array function, array data.
No, no, it can handle, no, not like that. But here match is having some problem.
Okay, sir.
So here match is there for that reason. If you press enter, it will give you the NA.
Okay, sir.
So see, every 99% index can handle array only when and where it is having without what you say array. Like in a table, we can take it a row and columns. So easily
Okay.
it can handle array. It's called an array. It can handle and it will pick up the which position do you want from the column or the row
Okay,
by using two matches, one match for row and one match for column. It will pick up the intersection of both.
oh, okay, sir.
Now here is the critical part. Now you tell me how to find that maximum number for above letter. Give me some idea.
Uh,
And simply
I,
think of yourself. Think,
yes, sir.
no,
Yes, sir.
no.
I'm thinking.
Mm. In what way we can?
I will, sir. I will use substitute and remove the x from both numbers, and maximum of those both numbers will be the answer.
Let me check the new method. Okay, let me check. The text I'm giving this one. Okay, the whole range. Comma and whole text will be the x. Do you want to mean to say this one?
Then it will not work.
And you tell no, The new text will be this one. Wherever X is there, remove, sorry, not
G2, sir.
F2,
G2.
G2. Wherever excess is there, remove that excess and bring that one. Okay,
Okay, sir.
F9. So it's giving, see how they are giving. Only it's removing excess, but not other things.
Okay, sir. If I use max along with this, I think max will only
Numbers.
notice numbers, right? I think, sir. I don't know.
Yes, yes. So this is the, it will not work properly. I will show you another method. First of all, what you will do, first of all, get all the numbers from the right side. Okay, mid of single text, but I'm giving more than one. Okay, and starting number will be always will be 2, because from first it is a letter. Starting number 2, comma. How many numbers you want to take?
3, sir. 3.
It may be 3 or it may be 2. We can't say that one. So use maximum one.
Okay, sir.
Use maximum. How many? How it may be. F9. So it will pick up all the letters from the second part, second position, to the 255 characters, because it may be 4 digits, it may be 5 digits, it may be 10 digits.
Okay, sir.
So now convert those things by using double negative, F9. But I want for X position. Okay.
Yes,
The
sir.
same part left of, use this one only, no issues. Left of whole thing.
Okay.
Equal to X, because I want to know which, only for X part, not for others. Okay, I'll remove double negative. Why? Because I am already using, okay, because right. Let it be. Let me check. F9. Got it?
Sir, I'm saying,
Yes.
can you please just press CTRL Z1. Mid of
Okay.
A2, it is bringing the maximum. Okay,
First
it is
of all,
bringing.
what I'm doing, actually mid function is expecting only the single. So I took whole range. And the starting position starting from 2 to
Yes, sir.
255 characters. I don't want the first characters from second character to 255 characters. Why? Because it may be 4 digits, it may be a 10 digits, it may be a 12 digits. We doesn't know that one.
Okay, sir. What I'm asking is, why using 2 minus signs before the mid function?
To convert text numbers into a numbers.
Okay, sir.
Text numbers into a numbers. See, before it was like this with the double quotes. I can remove that one. I'll show you. Text numbers. So
Okay,
I'm using mathematical operator to convert text numbers into a numbers.
Sir,
If I'll remove like this, what will happen?
Okay.
Because we are doing
it
mathematical operator here.
Value up.
Then no, because it's a text numbers are there. I'm doing what is it? We are using mathematical operator. This is also called mathematical operator, the multiplication sign. So why don't it work?
I think if text values multiplied by numbers, it will not. I think it is working.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We are using the mathematical operator to convert text numbers into numbers. Just as I explained you, and I'll give you the clear picture that it's a text number, right?
Yes,
if I use like this, okay, this is also right. What I'm doing, instead of doing like this,
what happens if a letter is there in that position? I mean, quotation mark A. What will happen if minus of minus K2 in that case?
No, it will go. It will give you the value error.
Okay, sir.
Let me give you the clear picture of this also. Yeah, it's already a text. Okay. So what I'm doing, multiplying with 1.
Value error.
Or you can do, what you'll do double negative also.
Sir, double. Okay. Okay.
So it will give value error only.
Okay.
But here it will not pick up because it can understand that it's a number, but it is in text number, so we have to convert text numbers into a number. Now simply use max function. Control Shift and Enter.
Yes,
Got it?
sir. Got it. Sir.
Any doubts? Any doubts? Here, coming to this part.
Yes, sir. I'm actually waiting for this one.
No, just wantedly I did like this. Okay. Actually, this is an.
I'm trying it with some. I don't know, but why it is not working. I'm.
Now listen. Yes, correct only. Whatever you said in the group, it's right. That SUMIF will handle only the AND operator, but not the OR operator. It's then when it is in a columns like this, it will consider it is an OR operator, but not an AND.
Okay, sir.
See, I did SUMIF function, but it will give because SUMIF will handle only the AND, but not the OR.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So what I'm doing,
M and O and VWX together, it is thinking like that.
No, because see, if it is like this, what will happen? Let me check. It will work or not. Sum range, control backspace, comma, criteria 1. Control backspace and the criteria 2 range. Okay, I have not given the cursor. Sorry. Wait a minute. Sum range and criteria range 1. Okay. Comma, the criteria will be this one, comma, criteria range to the same thing, control backspace, comma, this one. It will work or not? Let me know. It will give you the correct answer or the wrong answer.
I think maybe it will give, sir. I think.
But really, I too don't know. But I'm thinking that it will.
It for,
no. What here also it will give you the wrong answer. Really. I don't know why it is like this. It has to give the right, because whenever it is there in this position, it is thinking that it's an OR. But when I'm keeping over there, it should think that it's an AND. Right.
Sir, I think because we are giving both criteria in only one range, I think SUMIF cannot handle that. Maybe I am thinking like that.
Maybe.
Since we are giving both of the criteria in only one column, that is B, I think maybe it is.
Yes. 2 criteria in the same range. So it's unable to find it out where it is actually, which one you want. Maybe. But I am using another function, that is SUMIF. A range of this sum range.
Criteria.
Sorry. A range of this criteria range. Comma. What I'll do, I'll give this both, comma, now I'll give sum range. F9. Now it is picking both.
How is it possible?
How is it possible? Means it's an array function, brother.
No, sir. I'm saying you have given it criteria.
When I'm giving separately, it is not able to understand. When I'm giving like an array, it is understanding.
Okay. I thought we must add also or in that in that range. I mean criteria
Yes, yes,
or
yes, yes.
I mean like G6 is equal to B2 to B24.
It will take long time then.
No, actually maybe I
Yes, yes,
got
it
it
may
like
be. Yes, it may be. It may be. Yes, whatever you said, it may be right. Let me try from your side also. Now I'll complete with this sum product. Okay.
okay sir.
So what I'll do here, I'm giving the two conditions by using or. Not it's an or, right? Okay. Or I'll take both equal to. Let me try in this way. Let's try. It's not giving at all. It's not at all understanding what you mean to say.
No sir,
It's
I'm
giving
saying
F9.
or G6 is equal to B4 is to 24, comma G7 is equal to B4 is to B24. I'm saying
Okay,
like that. I mean,
both we have to take. Okay. So wait a minute. Is equal to this equal to backspace. This is one condition
yes sir.
and a comma. This is another condition equal to this. Right. You mean to say like this. Separately,
Yes
we
sir.
have to find it out.
Yes sir.
True. True. Because both are true, both are finding, it's a true. So now, instead of doing this very big thing, why don't you do AND operator over here? The same thing. The same thing. It will add all those things. If you give multiplication sign, it will give you these zeros. You have to use plus sign. Now simply use this one. Okay, I will do like this. Let me try this one. Some product, and this is the one array, and I'm giving another array by comma, but not using multiplication sign. But I did not done any multiplication sign. Just I did this one and comma second array. This is the first array finding of this both and adding, and this is the second array where we are finding the sales. Done. Any doubts, Gautam? Here, really, I too don't know why it's not accepting when it is like this. Maybe you said right, because the criteria in the same range. The both conditions criteria in the same range.
Yes
Actually,
sir.
see, here it is giving wrong answer. See,
It is only taking M and O, I guess. No.
yes, I take MN only, but I want to change this to this. It has to take both things. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, 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 Z. 100 times it will work. Again it is okay. Again it is there. Just bring here. Again went over there. Criteria. This one. Okay. Wait a minute. Really, I too don't know why. Actually, it has to work. It has to work when it is in this position. You got. Actually, it has to work. Maybe you are right because the both criteria in the same range. Maybe it is right.
That
Let me try in the Google why it's not working like this.
Or you can also use help, sir. I mean F1 help. It can also give you the data details.
No, here it won't give you. Here it will not give you the proper answer. In
Okay,
that,
sir.
we have to ask why, when it is in the same column from the same range, why sum if is not working. Like that, we have to check. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubts as per now, still now?
Till now, I'm having one doubt, sir. In sum if, I mean like in this one, how sum if
Mhm.
in B4 is to 24, how is sum if calculating the G6 is to G7? I mean,
G16 to this both things. Huh?
yes, sir. Instead of G6 is to what if happens if we enter G6 into G7 or G6 plus G7 in that
This
criteria
one
also.
you mean to say?
No, sir.
You
I
mean to
meant
say this
saying
one or this
some
one? This one, this one.
as sir. Yes.
See, okay, better we'll go to one. I'll like to show you it will come or not. Are you able? Yes.
Yes, sir. I'm
Well,
seeing.
you are able to see. Here it will solve that to pick up. Instead of doing this one, why don't, because it's very short one. So we'll do like this. From here we'll do. But what we'll do here, first of all, we'll make it like this. F9. Here
Yes, sir.
also F9. Let me check how it will work. Because
MMO.
it's very small size characters are there. For that reason, I'm taking from this. So it will pick up this thing from here, the numbers. Wherever it finds, it will pick up those numbers from there.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So what I'm doing, just I'm doing array F9. Okay. Again, some
I think
tech.
you missed that bracket, I guess.
Yes, yes.
Oh, it's right.
It's all right only. I don't know why it's will F9. It's the same thing. It has to work actually. F9. Why brackets are missing? Nothing is there to miss the brackets over there. Yes, since here only I'm checking F9. So it will pick up the criteria as per the condition what we have given here. And it will pick up the sales. As
Okay.
this is called an array. But some product can handle array, so it has given this one. Let me check by changing of STU. Yes. But here it's not working. No. Here, no. It's something is there. Okay. This both things only. Everything right. GHI. Okay. I will delete one thing. Yes. Working for only STU 23965. Okay. It may be. Let me do filter 23965. Right. STU. Yes. Correct only. Correct only. So whenever you get a zero, so try to find it in this way.
Okay, sir.
If you get a zero, try to. But this is the fastest way. It will work fast, but it will take some time to calculate. This is the difference
Some,
between this and this. Yes,
okay,
both
sir.
are
Some
some product
product.
only.
Okay,
With
sir.
this one, the second one, what I mean to say, not the colored one, the second one will take faster calculation because we are using a comma over here. In some product, we are using a comma. But here we are not using any comma. Directly we are doing like this.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Got it?
Got it. Got it.
Any doubts?
No, sir. No.
Can I close the call?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, brother. Have a nice day, brothers. Bye.
Thank you, sir.